again, tapping into loss aversion or scaring people will only get you so far. I think The Inconvenient Truth was a brilliant movie that helped sort of raise our awareness about things, but you are left at the end of it wondering, what do we do about that? And Al Gore has actually since come out with a second book that looks at what we should be doing about those problems, because raising awareness again and scaring people isn't necessarily enough. One of my favorite tactics is real-time information, which was on that list that we looked at just a second ago. A lot of times you're seeing increasing amounts of dashboards that are accessible through the internet on people's computers, or in sort of big displays in the lobbies of buildings. In this case, we're looking at a display that is comparing different floors' energy usage and expenditures. So they could have a competition, for example, or at least know the difference between floor 2, floor 3, the kitchen, and so forth. And having that information is a really valuable tool in terms of getting people to, participate or have some sort of feedback there. In addition, if you can sort of show people where the end-use breakdown of energy is, whether it's through the heating and cooling, whether it's the lights or the plugs or other items, you show them that it's heating and cooling is a big one, or that lights are a big one. That's a great way to get people to, reduce lighting. Just show them the data. And the tools that are coming out are really slick. A bunch of iPhone apps or other smartphone apps that are ways to sort of view real-time information from a building or from your house. One study showed that on average, the introduction of real-time consumption feedback systems leads to energy use reductions between 5 and 15%.